Hey everybody, it's a 101 Bar Nerd, and today I have a new video. It's actually a lighter review. Alright, so I got this lighter. It's called a Jobon, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so where's my knife? One sec. So this, I still don't know what it's called, but I'm using it. Open this up. Why did I do that? It's open on the other side. I'm stupid sometimes. Alright, so it comes with in a fashionable box. The lighter isn't even in it. Alright, so there we go. I actually bought this off Deal Extreme, so not the best lighter, but you know, for what I'm using it for, it's pretty awesome. So it comes with a pack of flints. How many's in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I used one to put it in here. So there's 6 in there. And then the lighter itself still comes in a fashionable box. There's that one. That's what it looks like open, and that's it on. Other side. Alright. I have to use this, show you the bottom, because there's something special about this bottom. Alright, here's, I'm not going to take that out because that's the flint thing. This one is where you put your fuel, but I'm going to take it off. So, and I lost my multi-tool. I don't know where it went. It's somewhere in my room, because my room's a freaking mess. There's something special about this. That's the screw. That, if you can see it in there, it's where the cotton balls and swabs are. Impossible to get out unless you unscrew that. That little screw right there. I don't think you want to do that because it's a pain in the ass. Alright. So this is the screw. But on top, let's unscrew this part right here. It's a flint holder. It holds another flint. So I thought that was pretty cool. As I was just reviewing that, not reviewing it, I was using it and I unscrewed it because I needed to put fuel in it for this review. Just for this review. This is the first time I've ever lit it. Because just for collecting purposes, I had it. Bought it, sorry. It was like $12.99 or something like that. $13 for it, so I thought it was a pretty good price. Couldn't get over it. It does take butane. Not butane, genuine Zippo lighter fuel. Alright. Let's look at these flints. Of course, this frickin' comes out. Frickin' crappy ass box. Whatever. Works. So, right here, I'm going to use this as a pointer. Right here it says Jobon. This one says since 1989. And just like a normal Zippo flint thing, it's just like this. So, let's just take a look at one of these frickin' flints. Looks identical to real Zippo flint. Anyway, I'm not going to take it out because I'll lose it or something. So, whatever. Let's put this back in the box. go. Right. So there it is. And there it goes. On the back it says nothing. I think this was made in Japan or something. Oh, I forgot to show you the bottom. The bottom stamp. Pointer. Right here. It says Jobon. 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 Whatever hell you want to call it. That's what it is. Alright, so it comes in a fashionable box. I've said it about 3 times. Whatever. So that's